Today we're playing the real versus fake Peppa Pig toy challenge with the Silly Crocodile. Some of these Peppa Pig toys are real and some of these toys are fake. But can you figure out which toys are real and which Peppa Pig toys are fake?
I'm ready, let's play.
Okay, Silly Crocodile, which of these 3 Peppa Pig toys are real and which ones are fake? Is it Zoe, Peppa Pig, or Peppa Pig?
I don't know. I think Zoe's the fake one.
No, it wasn't Zoe.
What? But that's not what? No way. Oh, it's Peppa Pig. Why did I guess Peppa Pig?
Now we have Susie, George, and Danny. Which ones are real and which ones are fake?
I think Danny's the fake one. Yeah.
No, Danny was not the fake one.
What? Danny was real? Which one's fake? What? Look at him.
Now we have Mummy Pig, Candy Cat, and Wendy Wolf. Which ones do you think are fake and which ones do you think are real?
Wendy Wolf.
Nope, she was real.
Okay. Mummy Pig.
Nope, Mummy Pig was real too.
What that means? Candy Cat.
Candy Cat was real too.
What? No fake ones?
Well, this is the challenge. We have to figure out which ones are fake and which ones are real.
Okay, the next one.
Next, we have Emily Elephant, Peppa Pig, and Rebecca Rabbit. Which ones are real and which ones are fake?
I think Rebecca Rabbit's the fake one. Yeah.
Rebecca Rabbit was real.
Wow. Okay, Emily Elephant. Yeah.
Emily Elephant was real too.
Wow. Then that means Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig was a fake.
I knew it this time. I said Peppa Pig's a fake one.
Now we have Grandpa Pig, Brother George, and Mummy Pig. Which ones are real and which ones are fake?
I think Mummy Pig's fake.
Mummy Pig is real.
Oh man. I think Grandpa Pig is fake. Yeah.
Grandpa Pig is real too.
Wow. Okay. Then I think George is fake.
George is real.
Oh, they were all real Peppa Pig toys, just like my Peppa Pig toys.
Well, yours are technically fake toys because you're in a cartoon world, but I see what you're saying.
Yeah, those are pretend.
Now we have Susie Sheep, Richard Rabbit, and Peppa Pig. Which ones are real and which ones are fake?
I think Peppa Pig is a fake.
Peppa Pig is real.
Oh, they're all real toys. Where are the fake ones?
Now we have Rebecca Rabbit, Candy Cat, and Peppa Pig. Which ones are real and which ones are fake?
I think Peppa Pig is real.
Peppa Pig is fake.
What? Oh, you're right. There's a fake one. Then which ones are real? I think Rebecca Rabbit is real.
Rebecca Rabbit is fake, just like Peppa Pig.
That's a really good one. Then what about the middle one? Is that really fake?
It's real.
Oh, okay.
Next, we've got George, Peppa Pig, and another George. Which ones are real and which ones are fake?
I think the George on the left is the fake one. Yeah.
George on the left is real.
Oh, I'm not getting any of them right. But this is fun. then I think the George on the right is a real, yeah.
George on the right was fake.
Ah, I'm always wrong. Then that means that Peppa Pig is real.
Oh, wait a minute.
Eh? Wait, what? The Peppa Pig is real. I said it. I got one right. Peppa Pig is real. Peppa Pig.
Good job, Silly Crocodile.
Thank you. And I did my very, very best. This is fun. I want to do this again. I want to do more fake versus real.
Well, if you think we should do fake versus real again, maybe we should get some more toys to do it.
Yeah, that sounds like fun.
Well, until next time, Silly Crocodile, enjoy playing with your Peppa Pig toys.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to watch more videos from the Silly Crocodile here on Just for Kids.
Yeah, they're so much fun.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
You silly crocodile.